All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another video home tour. Back out here again in the Southwest. About to tour a standing inventory by TriPoint. And this is where you're gonna get your bang for your buck. Like if you're really just trying to, squeeze every dollar out of the builder, it will definitely be the standing inventory. So the name of this neighborhood is Southridge Point. The builder is TriPoint. So today we're going to be looking at their plan 2. This thing is just a little bit over 1,800 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage. Love the colors on here. Now let's find this. Where are we at here? This is it. Right here, corner. Not much for a driveway, but that's not this type of lifestyle. Your HOA is going to be $210 a month. This neighborhood does have a pool. Ooh, I like the color on this one. They did a really good job on here. Oh, this one comes with blinds too. Love the color cabinets. I do apologize for the coughing right on your screen there. That was very rude of me, but I had to cough. Wow, this one has a lot of upgrades. Upgraded baseboards, LVP flooring. Never used to like this color, but the combo color is really coming back with the browns and the natural earth tones. Kind of gives that more modern look with the black hardware. Not much for a backyard, but that's kind of common in these type of townhomes. Now this one is discounted about like $30,000. The good news is that I can get a little bit more, probably like another $30,000 on this, believe it or not, if we are paying cash. We got the Carrier AC unit. On the financing, right now they got some pretty good incentives. I've seen all the way down to 4% on these things, especially on the standing inventory. Soft closing cabinets. These are not full overlays though. However, you got the dovetails, which is completely fine. Quartz countertops. Wow, this is a kind of cool contrast for that backsplash with the white, don't you think? Look at that. I can't believe they threw money at this and added a Blanca sink on here. So the price on here is about $515. However, it's already been discounted about $30,000. But I believe I can get another $30,000 if we pay cash on here. We got our sewage line here. Oh, and this one you have the 40 amp for your Tesla, and then we have a soft water loop. So this one has a lot of upgrades. Now you can buy like a resale home for like $500,000, right? But then the question is, would you buy this or a house for $500,000, right? That's a couple years old. It just really comes down to like case by case basis, because this townhome is just a whole different lifestyle. Number one, it's the location. We've got our major street right here, Silverado Ranch, within like 1 minute, okay? You have nothing but ample shopping, right? You've got Blue Diamond. You've got Mountain's Edge back here. Then we also have Southern Highlands. From here to Harry Reid International. The airport, we're talking about like less than 15 minutes. Less than 15 minutes to the Strip. So this is just lifestyle and location. Love this banister. Look at that rail. That's nice. Oh, they upgraded the carpets on this one. I like this one way better than the other one. Let's take a look at the primary. See if they did any type of upgrades on the bathroom. There's a strip right there, folks. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. I don't feel like going outside. A little chilly today. All right, let's take a look at this bathroom. You got the Petrofina countertops. Upgraded on the sink there. Oh, they did the black trim. Oh, here's our attic access. Just a quick tip here. If you see this thing painted shut here, that means they haven't been up in the attic. However, if this lid has fingerprints, that means they have been up in the attic because there was some sort of problem that they had to fix. Smart panel box over here to the side. Definitely, oh look at this. This one's got the washer and dryer with the drain pan, which is perfect. Okay, linen closet. Wow, this color tone of shade of like light brown here shows very well in real life. Got the pre-wire for the ceiling fan. We've got the half hot right here off to the right. 3 rocker switch. We didn't go into this bathroom yet. Let's take a look at this bathroom. 18 by 18 porcelain tile. It's not bad. Now, I recently did a video home tour on the exact same model as this one. And this one has so many more upgrades than that video. So if you want to check that one out, feel free to go back to the playlist and check it out. Love that tile. I felt like they should have tiled this whole thing like that. All right, that is pretty much it for this video home tour. Now, probably for the rest of the month, I will be only doing video home tours on discounted properties for the standing inventory for all the builders. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel. And the other thing is, I'm going to have a link in the description of the video and another link in the comment section, so that way you guys can check out the standing inventory list for all the builders. Now, this is just not regular like standing inventory. They are discounted properties by the builders, okay? Look how crazy this little park and pool is, right? Nobody's here. Obviously, it's a little chilly to be going to the pool. Nice pool, though. Let's go take a look at the pool real quick. They have it locked right now. But let me see if I can get you guys in. There you go. Boom. All right, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you don't have a real estate agent, obviously I want to earn your business. There's no charge to you whatsoever. We get paid like directly from the builder or the seller. That's how we negotiate our commissions, directly through them. All right, other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best and be blessed.